Hi there, today I will take you behind the camera. I want to share with you how I do my sailing videos, and later what the resulting video looks like. Here in the beginning I want to capture this misty feeling in the rain. I take a rising shot, revealing the sight. I hope to give you a feeling for the sight and an interest to see more. Next shot will be me making an entrance into the scene. I try to level the camera to reduce the need to crop in post. A shot of me preparing the boat as the rain is dripping. Only the action camera is usable in these conditions. Collecting the film material for each scene often takes longer than it looks like in the final video. Then I take a few more shots from the starting point. Trying to create a sad or mystery feeling. And also a shot where the rest of the lake is hidden. A last introduction shot before I go. Just as I'm leaving, some ducks comes around. I guess they are used to be fed here. Raising the sail may be a good shot, as there is some action. Otherwise, a head-mounted camera often results in jerky videos. Not pretty, but I'm in a hurry, so I take a shot of the wrinkled sail as well. The low light conditions does not go so well with action cameras. I should have spent more time on the settings. I will not do that now, as I'm in a hurry to reach the campsite. I take a shot without the settings instead. After arriving and setting up the boom tent, I have to clean the lens before I can get decent video. I want some shots from the inside. Also, the roof needs to be wiped. Everything is damp from the rain. I prepare the sleeping mattress and sleeping bag before getting out of the dry suit. Last thing, charging the batteries for the next day. After a rainy night, I get up early. I need to film the morning. I want to share the feeling of waking up in a wet boom tent. Let's go to bed again. Oh, good morning. It's been raining a lot this night. That was expected. So it's quite a lot of moisture. In here. So, and then we need a shot outside. I try to stay warm inside as long as possible. and thus take a few shots here.
Okay. It's really wet. Should we get into the dry suit now to get some outside shots as well? This is a sort of damp moment. Packed up and everything, so now I can step out.
I move around the site to get some scenery footage. I circle around the site to have something to choose from. From an above perspective, the boat looks tiny.
Let's make some sneaky runs as well.
After the first photo session, I'm hungry, so I make breakfast. Before the second session around this island, I try to get some B-roll here. I want to capture the shoreline. It might create a feeling for the nature around here. As I move along the shore, I film what interests me and what might look good on film. And also me interacting. After an hour of walking, I set up the camera on the shore and set sail. This is what the final video looks like.
Oh, good morning. It's been raining a lot this night.
Let's step out and explore. Hope you liked it.